Welcome back, everyone. In this short video tutorial we're going to build the computer player class. I've already made a shell for the computer player, and if you watched the last video you should have a developed algorithm for generating a random number for the computer player. We covered a couple of different methods to do this, so I'm quickly going to just retype this in. So public int random int, and I'm going to generate a low end number and an int for a high end number for my range between 1 and 3. And then I'll set up a local variable. Then I'll say R&D is equal to int math.random, and I'm going to use the more abstract version of this method that we talked about in the last video. So we're going to say high end and minus the low end plus 1, and then we have to add the low end. Alright, we're also going to need a default constructor, so public computer player, and we're not going to have any instance fields for this class. We're going to just set a couple local variables in our generate computer move. So once we have a random int, then we're going to say public string get computer move, and we'll set up a couple local variables. And then we'll need to generate the random number. And then we'll need to use a conditional to determine what the computer's move is based on the number that we generate. So we'll say if comp move int is equal to 1, then the computer move is going to be rock. And if the comp move int is equal to 2, then our computer move will be paper. And that's going to be an else if. And then we have our else. And it'll be equal to scissors. So I will go ahead and compile this class to see if there are any errors. Alright, so it says I need a return statement. Yes. So we need to return computer move. And capital O. And we need a return statement for our random number generator also, so we will return RND. Illegal start of expression. Oh, I'm outside of the my method, so it needs to be here. There we go. Now I've also created a basic shell. This is our game runner. And so we want to test our computer player. So we'll instantiate an instance of computer player. So we'll say computer player. I want to make the computer player player 2 because we don't want it to generate its answer before player 1 the user does. Otherwise the user will know what value the computer has generated and change their response. So we'll say computer player 2 is equal to new computer player. And then we want to print out the result of the computer player's move. So we'll say system.out.print. And I'll just do something simple like computers move. And player 2 dot get computer move. Alright, so we'll compile this. Now I'll go ahead and run it. And I'm getting rock. And then I'm getting another rock. See if we can get some more decisions besides just rock. There's paper. And there's scissors. Good. So our algorithm for computer player is working. In the next video, we will handle the player class. See you next time.